This tutorial is sponsored by Patreon. Thank you all for your support. Hello everyone, welcome to the 6th episode of our Roulette series, and let's just remind ourselves where did we stop. So I think we have a UI here that is not getting called, if I'm correct. So today we're gonna let our dealer also shoot. So first thing first, I want to... So we created the player's turn here, which decides if we get the shoot UI, and I will show you in a second what is that. So we have player's turn to and we run this when we want to say, okay, now it's turn to player to shoot. And we have dealer's turn that basically says it's time for dealer. I'm also gonna print string here just for the development. Player's turn, like that. So on begin play, I'm just gonna call from the sequence just to make it a little bit cleaner. Just get the sequence there. You can just get it by typing sequence, and let's call it player's turn. So when the game starts, it's gonna be turn for our player. Okay, so we have this. This here is only testing, by the way, so don't worry about it. But these bullets don't, these buttons don't do anything. So let's see what we have here. Okay. Just reminding myself. Okay, so these buttons are gonna be pretty simple then. So this is gonna be dealer got shot, and this one is gonna be player got shot. Make sure it's a variable, very important. Here, like that. On dealer got shot, on clicked, what we're gonna do is we're gonna call from the gameplay game mode reference. So sorry, you either have it here or you have it here. So you can copy from here. And on click dealer got shot, we just call the event that is happening right here from the game mode. And dealer got shot, we can put it as a 1 for now before we add items, but once we add items we're gonna update this. So yeah, dealer got shot, and from here we should continue round. Okay, so that's okay. Now we can go for the player got shot, and we can call player got shot, like that, and set damage amount as 1, and we want to continue round. Continue round doesn't have anything right now. It's the thing that we made here, but it just says it's gonna continue the round. And we can add some delay here for 2 seconds, because in the real game is also delay, but we need to do something in these 2 seconds, which we are not gonna cover right now because it will take us too much time. So it's gonna be when we polish our game. Okay, so if we go and test now, if we press on dealer, it's gonna say it's gonna shoot the dealer, take his HP, and also it's gonna say continue round, but nothing is gonna happen. So dealer got shot and round got continued. So now we need to code the round. And did we code player's turn? Okay, we did code player's turn. Also, I'm gonna add boolean here. we're gonna say B has player it's gonna say was player round was player turn last round, and if the player shoots it, it's gonna put it for true, because if it's player turn, basically he's gonna uh, should be, let me see, so when the player turn comes, okay, let me just brainstorm. By the way, these tutorials, I don't have any scratch where I test it, it's just from my head. So that's why sometimes I have a small delay when I'm doing tutorial, because it's good, because you will see from first perspective how coding looks like. It's not just writing down code and having everything on the paper. So whose turn UI? We have show hide player option box. Okay, that's pretty interesting. I need a way to tell, so it was player turn last. Okay, I think I'm gonna do that with the button click. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that with the button click. So that, because dealer doesn't have a way to click the button, right? It's only us. So I'm gonna create the variable inside of the gameplay game mode. That's gonna, yeah, it's gonna be this one. Was player turn last round. And if player shoots, if player basically clicks those buttons, it's gonna say, and make sure you put it before continue round. So get was player turn last round, not sorry, not get, set was player turn last round, and we can get this before the delay as well. Like that. And here as well. So if we click the button, that means basically it was us. Maybe this is not the best way to do it, but it works fine, and it's not a bad way. It's just there is probably more simple ways to do this. And this one is gonna go here as well. Make sure you connect it like this. Okay, perfect. And the continue round, now we need to code that. So from continue round, I will do switch on bool. Can I do it switch on bool? Let me see. Okay. Okay. I don't actually have to do any switches. I can just do branch, literally. So if it was player turn last round, then it's dealer's turn. And if it was not player turn last round, that means we are gonna have the code inside of the dealer's turn as well, which is gonna say, okay, it was not player, it was dealer shooting this time. But if it's false, then it's gonna be player's turn again. Okay. That's how the continue round should work. Right now, we have this code, but we will need to code inside of the dealer as well, his mind. So that's gonna be pretty interesting. I love working with AI. So let's see, this should work now. So if we press shoot and it goes continue round, we should not see this anymore. Yeah. Excuse me. So it's, wait, let me see. So it's continuing the round. Let me see. Okay, I think we need to do some other stuff here. So oh, I think probably we need to do something with this branch that we have here for hiding our UI. And we can set this before this. We can set it, not get. We need to set, because we have it on screen though, so we just need to put there. So we let know our code that decides if it removes or gives us UI. This is gonna help it understand, okay, do we show it or do we collapse it? This should be fine now. If I press that. Now it's dealer's turn and we don't see, and also it loaded. Okay, so let me go slowly again. So right now we have blank bullets for, because it got loaded, because we called the player turn. So it got loaded and we have blank bullet now. So now, as you can see, it's gonna be blank bullet. And now again, it reloaded because it was dealer's turn. So right now dealer has the bullet, and now it's up to dealer to decide is he gonna shoot him or me. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so for now we got that working. We have a dealer turn and player turn that works. Continue round also works, very simple way of creating. Continue round. Also what I can do is create a round point and on UI, but we're gonna create that in the next episode. Let's focus on UI now. So this one continues round. Okay. This is gonna stay for later. Let's go inside of our dealer reference or our dealer actor that we have here, BP dealer. So this is our UI. This is literally the mind of our UI. AI, sorry, not UI. So now we need to create custom event that's gonna say, how are we gonna name it? Should be who to shoot. So first we're gonna run who to shoot. And the boolean that we're gonna create is be dealer knows last dealer. So we need to create so dealer knows the bullet that's inside. Does dealer see bullet? That's gonna be the boolean. So if the dealer sees bullet, so from here, does dealer see bullet? If he sees the bullet, then we're gonna check if the game from the game mode reference, we're gonna check if the bullet is deadly or if it's a blank. So I'm gonna cast to from event begin play. I'm gonna cast to gameplay game mode. just like that. Get player card, not player card, get game mode. And as gameplay game mode, it's gonna be our gameplay ref. Do we call it everywhere like this? Gameplay GMRef. Okay, let's rename it so you know what is it exactly. So get gameplay GMRef, and let's see if we know which bullet is it. So this is the boolean that we need. We are looking for that. So from here, has live bullet. This boolean basically tells us if the gun has live bullet. So from here, if our dealer saw the bullet, and if our dealer know, okay, this has live bullet inside, then he's gonna shoot the player. So copy gameplay game mode reference, and we can just call player got shot. And for now, it's gonna be damage 1. But if it doesn't have live bullet, then we're gonna call, we can actually pull from this, dealer got shot. And we can also put it as 1. So from this, dealer knows, okay, so we are putting right now the mind inside of our AI. So dealer saw that he knows the bullet. Does dealer, actually, let's, does dealer know bullet? So that's, for example, when it's a last bullet and everyone knows it's a real bullet, we should let our dealer also know, okay, it's a real bullet. So from here, dealer, if it has a live bullet, of course he's not gonna shoot himself. If it's true, he's gonna shoot the player. And if it's not true, of course he's gonna shoot himself with the blank, right? That's how you would play the roulette. Okay, so that would work, and I will just print a string that says dealer shoot player. Player with real bullet. And here dealer shot himself with blank bullet. You got outsmarted. Okay. This is just test. Okay, so this is done. So if the dealer knows the bullet, he's gonna do the right thing. But what happens if the dealer doesn't know the bullet? Well, then it would check. Let's see. Then he would randomize it. So it's okay. Let me see how are we gonna do this. So we need to randomize if he's gonna choose this one or this one. And how are we gonna do that? Okay, let me come back with a solution. Okay, so from the false, I found out we're gonna use multigate, and what this does is basically it's gonna run either this command or this command. So we can set player got shot here from the gameplay reference. We can just copy this one. So it's simply just gonna, and we need tick is random. It's simply just gonna play one event or the other, 50-50. That works, okay. So right now, if the dealer shoots, we need to set after every scenario with our gameplay game mode reference, was player turn last round, and we need to what did I say? We need to set it, and we set it to no. It was not player round. It was not player turn. It was our dealer's turn indeed. I can copy this. I also set it like that. Okay. So I hope you understand what is happening here, and we are gonna go through it again. So yeah, okay, who to shoot? Decide dealer's shot. Okay. And here, when it's dealer's turn, we need to run from the dealer reference that we got in our gameplay, and this reference can be found here. From this reference, we need to decide dealer shot, and we don't need to run any continue round here, because basically what happens is it's gonna run this code, and on this code we have a continue round. Perfect. So it's player's turn. I will shoot the dealer. Dealer survived. Dealer's turn, and I think dealer might have shot himself right now. So let's see how that works. It was flip, so he took the flip, but let's increase the game time by giving our players some health. So now we have 5 health. And let me just add some cooldown here, so we can see what is happening, right? Let's add some delay of 3 seconds so we can track it. And yeah, for the does dealer know bullet, for now it's false because we didn't still set it up, and this is going to be another thing that we need to do in our BP dealer and our game modes. So that's gonna be for probably next episode, but we're gonna do it. So it's player's turn now. I'm gonna shoot myself. It was a live bullet, so I lost a life. Now it's a dealer turn. Okay, let's see. What did happen there? Player's turn. I shoot myself. I lost life. So it looks like the... Okay, that was very weird what happened there. Let's see what is happening actually. Let's add some delays so we have time to realize what is happening. Like this. So let's write everything that is happening on our screen. So this print string is your guardian angel in development. Continue round. Okay, just a second. Okay. So it's gonna say continue round. Dealer's turn. Reloading a shotgun. And once the dealers shoot, I think once the dealer shoot, we need to play continue round, but this actually plays it. So let me see. Okay, we added some cooldowns. Let's see. So it's player turn. We loaded live bullet. I'm gonna kill player. Oh, okay. So there is a lot of stuff happening here, which need to be taken care of. I think this multigate is playing with us. Let's just do it like this. So instead of multigate, just get the branch. And this bull is gonna say, who do I shoot? Be random shoot, actually. So it's boolean for random shoot. And gonna say random bool set random shoot. Yeah, just like this. So this is gonna randomize our bool. I was not really experienced with multigate, so I might have read it wrong. That's my bad. But this is gonna do the same job. So it's gonna randomize the bool. So the true is gonna be player got shot, the false dealer got shot, but it's just basically just random between two players. So we can just do this because it's two persons. So we can randomize like this. Okay. This will work now as a random. So let's check it out. It's player's turn. We loaded blank bullet. Let me. Nice. So now it's player's. Wait, what? Oh, it was dealer's turn. Okay. And looks like it's repeating itself. Let me see. Let's remove the delay. Oh, I see. The delay was the problem, I think. Okay, so blank bullets 4. I hit dealer. He doesn't lose life. Now he shoots. Now it's my turn. Oh, again. Looks like we gave our AI a little bit more strength because he's shooting us 5 times in a row. Okay, so I feel like it's a problem inside of the got shot thing. Okay, I think, okay. So I think I'm gonna turn this to the end of the code. Like that, like that. So because we are running some code inside of this, so it could be overlapping. That's my mistake, again. But yeah, this kind of stuff in game development, you can expect it to happen every time. So, you know, it's gonna, I feel like it's better to do it like this than just permacut the video, because if I permacut the video, you're not gonna see where I do mistakes. And I really want to be transparent. When I do mistake, I do mistake. But hey, we are in this, so it's okay to do mistakes, right? Let's see, now should work. It's a player's turn. I loaded live bullet. I took life from me. We are continuing the round. It was dealer's turn. Oh, okay, so still, it's still happening. So it continues the round, okay. Let me see. So it should say, quick reminder, what happened was my brain couldn't realize that the moment dealer shoot, the gun reloads, so it gives us back, and I didn't have some delays. So my brain didn't register that is actually all correct, and I was like, why is it loading twice? So reminder, because I was going in the circle for 10 minutes. So yeah, just watch with attention. Don't copy paste. Just watch with attention, and at the end we got it working perfectly. So enjoy. Wait. So we took one bullet. It's a live bullet. Let's take the blank bullet now. Let's shoot. So let's see. It takes one. It takes two bullets. It loads twice. Could be something about the shotgun. I think the reload shotgun should go. So let's just delete the reload shotgun from the player and dealer's turn. And let's reload it right here actually. And let's not call the that it's default by, okay, so we can just whose turn? What is that? Continue round. So we can call continue round from the begin play. And because this is default, false by default, it's always going to be player's turn, so it's going to reload. Okay. Okay, so the round continued, it was my turn. Let's see now, he should reload only. It looks like it reloads twice. That's what I'm thinking here. And this never gets called. Oh, because it doesn't, yeah, okay. But let's do it like this. Print string. Dealer shot player, dealer shot himself. Let's add some color to this. So, okay, so player around, we have 4 bullets because we loaded live. We shoot the dealer. And now it takes 2. Okay, what does it... Let's see what does get called there. So as you can see, it gets called twice. Player's turn. Okay. So maybe... Let's see our load. So reload shotgun. Okay, so this is fine. But I'm feeling like we're calling it. What would happen if we don't have this? Okay, let's see. Player turn, continue round. Okay, it's not reloading shotgun at all. Okay. So let's put reload shotgun before that. Let's put reload shotgun there. Let's see now, and we're gonna check the log. Okay, so it's player's turn, round continued, because we call it on the begin play. It's a blank bullet, so I will shoot me. Okay, so let's see our output log actually here. Okay, wait. So it calls dealer's turn, which reloads it, and then it continues. It looks like this is not getting updated, or the other thing is not getting updated, rather, like this. But wait, we don't see this message, so dealer doesn't know the bullet by default. Let's see. Dealer shot the player. Dealer's turn. So okay, let me see. For example, we don't need continue round. Let's see. Don't need sprint string here. Okay, so oh, maybe it's a this actually. Okay. Maybe we got this. So from here, I'm also gonna get a branch. Not branch, sorry. I'm gonna get my gameplay game mode reference, and I'm gonna say set. What is the name? Player option box. It's in the master UI. Okay. Where is our UI reference? Is it inside of the player character? Okay, so in the BP dealer, I should cast to the third person character here. Okay, I mean it's okay because it's small game, so this is not gonna affect your project at all. So cast to player character. I need this master UI reference, and I should put it in the game mode gameplay, but I didn't. But it's not a big deal. Character reference. So I hope you're not lost, but we are going, I would say, rather slow. And from here I'm gonna, because of this, I'm gonna get reference. So here I will get my character reference. I will get the master UI. And I will set show option, so hide, what am I saying? Player option box. Yes, this, and yeah, like this, like that, and like that. We can set it here for now. But also, okay, let's see if that would work. Did we not connect something? Yep. Okay, so it's player turn now. We load the live bullet. It's me. Now it's gonna be. Okay, let me check this. That's very weird. Let me test again. So it's my turn. Player survived. Wait a minute. Okay, if you delete the delay. Okay, this is all getting called in the same time. What? Okay, so oh, okay. So I think it's working, but okay. I think it's actually working, low key. So let's actually set delays back. Sorry, the episode is getting big, but yeah, this is game development, and we are basically programming the AI. So just I recommend you watching this tutorial without coding to see what is happening on my screen, and then rewatch it to get your code done, like I did. So let's see. The player gets shot. Oh, so this is the problem. Okay, because it calls the continue round, and I think we are calling it here as well, and which we shouldn't, obviously. So when the player gets shot, he also inside calls the continue. Okay, so that was a mistake, because as you can see, it says continue round, and we had a small delay there, which is even worse. So it gets called again, but the problem was we had a continue round here, and we shouldn't. Okay. Okay, so let's see now. One bullet. Let's see what happens now. If I press, wait. If I press, player survived. Yeah, I think this should be called last. Yeah. So let's just transfer this to be called last, because we're changing some variables that are pretty important. Yeah, they're pretty important. This is gonna be target of this. So yeah, let's see how that works now. Okay, so yeah, I think it works. Yeah. So let's go now. When the dealer shoots the player, let's add a delay of 3 seconds. So it's a blank bullet. I'm gonna shoot me. So it's dealer's turn. So it says dealer survived. That means I think dealer shoot himself. Okay, let me see. Let's try to play a game versus him now. So it's a live bullet. I will shoot him. He lost a life. Now it's his turn. I guess he shoot with a blank. So it's alive now. Okay. He's gonna shoot with a blank now. Yeah, he shot with a blank. It's again live. Player survived. Oh, I think he shot me. Okay. Player's turn. I will shoot dealer. Okay. So I'm not quite sure why is this text not showing. Maybe we should put duration of 6. This is gonna tell us before it happens. So let's see. Oh, okay, so it says, okay, dealer shot himself. We have a live here. So we have blank now. Let's see what it says. He shot himself with a blank. Okay. Okay. Let's play a game versus him. Duration to 2 here. Okay, so it's a live bullet. I'm gonna shoot him. He shot himself, so I'm again back. It's my turn. I can also, on continue round, if I want to add the delay a little bit to actually see what is happening, I can do it here. Oh, what am I doing? No. Okay. So yeah, it's gonna have a delay because we put continue round delay, and it's gonna count. So live bullet, I'm gonna shoot him. Dealer survived. Dealer shot player. Okay, let me see. It should be delay here. Let's put 1, for example. I'm feeling like something is off. Okay. So it's my turn now. It's loading 1 bullet. Okay. Because when I press this, it's also running continue round. So let's just do it like that. And we can add some delay here, I think. Before we reload the shotgun, I think. Or after. No, makes no sense after. Okay, so final play. We are playing versus dealer. Also, we need more bullets. Let's say 10 bullets, because I have too much health. We can change bullets like that. So we have 10 of this, 10 of this, or let's say 6 blank and 6 lives. Okay, so I will not even watch this, I'm just gonna play. So I will shoot dealer, then I'm gonna shoot myself, then I will shoot dealer, As you can see, it's all blank. Oh, because we used all bullets. What? Wait, let's see. Okay, it's again taking 2 bullets. Okay, what the fuck is happening? It's like it's reloading 2 bullets. Okay, so it's certainly a problem with booleans. So let's find out. This is just to hide our UI. So that's why I was thinking, why do I see my UI? Okay, so let's see. First, whose turn UI? And so if it's player's turn. Okay, so once it's a dealer's turn, let me add some delay here to test. So once it's his turn, I should not see my UI. Okay. Okay, dealer's turn, dealer's shot. Okay. Let me see again how much times it loads. So we have 5, 6. Loads once. Loads twice. I'm literally in the blind street right now. Oh boy. So I think it's probably reload shotgun. So if it's more than one, so if you don't have bullets, let's see what it says. Oh, 0, 0. Okay, it says it needs reload. It prints on the stream on the screen. Do I need this even? Wait, let's see. What happens if I don't call this? I bet it's not gonna... Okay. Because... Let's call this player's turn then, again. Let's see what happens then. And let's add three bullets. So it's gonna load one. If I press me, oh, I'm so stupid. The game beat me, literally. The problem is, no, it's not even the problem. So basically how it works. So now it loads one. I shoot. Then it loads for the dealer, but he instantly shoots. So it loads another one for me. I'm so stupid. Okay, so let's see how we would play this out. Let's say this. It's gonna load two now. It's blank again. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Okay. I think we can even call the continue round here. Okay, everything works. Nice. I didn't even realize about this, so maybe we can add a delay to check. It's like here. We're gonna do delay in the next game, but let's check if we can add delay as well here. Will it work? I'm so stupid. Wow. Okay, I shoot. I cannot shoot. Oh. Yeah, because I added. Okay, so delay shouldn't go here. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna shoot me, then he's gonna decide who to shoot. He's gonna shoot, player survived. Dealer's turn, he shoot me. Okay, so that's how it goes. Player's turn, I shoot, then it's gonna be dealer shoot, he shot me. Let's see what happens now. Dealer's turn, dealer shoot himself. Okay. We got it working through the pain. Okay, so I'm gonna do it for this episode, and I'm gonna start recording right now the second one because I want to fix this even more. But yeah, now it's working. You got the game working, but we need to polish it, of course. So see you in the next episode.